Hello everyone, my name is Dionne and today I am going to be making one of my favorite ice creams, and if you can take a guess, it will be rum and raisin ice cream. When I was a little girl growing up in Jamaica, my grandmother used to have me eat this every Sunday after church, and as a woman coming to Canada and living on my own, I never had this ice cream until I went back to Florida this December and I bought rum and raisin ice cream, and I suddenly remembered how I enjoyed it. So I am going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use today. So this is the raisins, and I bought this from Costco, and this is fruit wine which we picked up in Jamaica, and also Jamaican overproof rum. So what I did was I added some wine and overproof rum to my raisins, and I am going to put this in a bowl, and we are going to add, let me just pour this out and show you so it smells yummy, or maybe I should say rummy. Anyway, I'm going to pour out about half of this container, and I'm going to reserve half, and let me take a taste. Rummy. So to make this sweet, I'm going to add 1 tin of selection condensed milk. My daughter bought this because she was going to make something and she didn't quite make it, so I am going to be using this. So I am going to add it to my raisin mixture. Here we go. This is supposed to make it sweet. Sweetened condensed milk. I remember licking the can after my grandmother would open this as a child, and it was so delicious. I am going to mix this around. Okay, let's scrape out some more. Okay, let's add all this. Let's see, get out every drop. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to mix this around until it is well incorporated, and then I'm going to put this aside and put this out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. And we are going to start to whip 1 liter of 35% whipping cream. Now we need to whip this until it is really stiff. So that's how you make ice cream. So I'm going to open my container and pour this in. There we go, into my mixer. Pour it in, use all of it. In it goes. And as you can see, I'm quite a little messy cook, but everything always tastes good, so no issues there. So I am going to close my mixer, and I am going to start it and whip my milk with my 35% cream, and I'm gonna have to whip it, clean up some of the mess here, and I'm whipping it. It's getting really thick. Now it's just have to whip it until it gets to that very thick consistency. So I'm gonna whip some more, and then after I finish whipping it until it's really thick, I am going to add some vanilla extract. I use vanilla artificial flavoring. It's a little bit cheaper, so I'm just going to wait until it's really thick. Really thick. It's whipping, and it's getting really thick. So we just have to wait until it gets to the very stiff peaks. Everything is going good. I'm going to be mixing mixing around the condensed milk and the raisins. Make sure it is well incorporated because I really like my ice cream to be really nice and raisiny and rummy. So it's whipping it, and we just have to wait until it gets to be a very thick consistency. From the looks of it, it is still going, so I'm gonna turn up it a little bit higher, the speed, see if I can get this to not take so long. But here we go. It's getting thicker. Oh my, it looks really good. So now you know how we make ice cream without an ice cream maker, because I don't have one. So I thought maybe I would try this version. Okay, so it's getting better. So I'm looking, oh yes, it's really getting really hard now. So it is stiffer and stiffer, and after it gets really stiff, I'm going to stop the mixer, and then I'm going to incorporate my condensed milk, raisin, and my fruit wine. Let's get this out of here and put it aside. It's getting really good. I'm just incorporating this because it is getting, oh my lord, it's looking really nice. I'm just gonna let it mix a little. I'm just going to stop it a little and check it. Just give me 1 sec. Let me open this. See, it's thick, just needs to be a little bit more thicker. So let me just continue and mixing this. It's gonna be so thick, and I'm just hoping that this comes out really nicely. Well, it's doing its job, so I'm really happy. And let me see, let me raise this up and see how, oh my lord, look how thick it is. It looks really good. So what I'm gonna do now, I am going to add some vanilla for a little flavoring. Us Jamaicans, we love adding vanilla to all our cakes and mixes and stuff like that. I'm going to turn on the mixer again just to mix up the vanilla in with it and turn this a little bit. There we go. There we go. Turn it around and around. Okay. I think it has stiffened enough, so I can start to add the raisin with the fruit wine and of course my Jamaican white overproof rum. Now, if you're wondering, I did not drink all this. I use it to bake, so it's okay. I'm gonna turn off my mixer, and there we go. As you can see, it is really stiff. I guess it needs to be a little bit stiffer because it's still a little bit watery. So I'm just going to put it down a little bit more and turn it back on. Here we go. So here we go. More mixing. I'm just going to spin it around a little bit just to make sure it's incorporating the vanilla that I put in. And spin it, and make sure everything is really incorporated. I know it's a little bit noisy, but I'm trying to talk a little bit louder. There we go, guys. Everything is incorporated, so I can stop mixing. So there we go, all nice. So what I am going to do right now is I am going to add my raisin and my condensed milk mixture, and I am just going to add it in a little bit at a time and fold it in so that it is incorporated. So here we go. paper and clean up this mess. And I'm gonna take some plastic wrap and put this over here, and then I'm gonna put it in my freezer, and I will show you what it looks like after it is frozen. So here we go. I'm gonna cover it and bring it over and open my freezer and put it in. So the ice cream that I made yesterday has been chilling in the freezer, so I went and I took it out. And I tried to scoop it earlier on, but it was a disaster. This is what happens when you buy your ice cream scoop from the dollar store. So I had to set it aside and let it kind of set for a bit. I will take off my plastic wrap and I will use my trusty scoop that I've had for years and scoop the ice cream. There we go. That works. And I will put it in my nice bowl. People, you don't have to eat ice cream out of an ice cream bowl. You can use anything you want. So here it is. It looks really delicious. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, like right there. I'm gonna set this aside, and now I'm gonna taste it. And definitely not the rum and raisin ice cream that my grandmother used to give me. This is a whole lot rummier. So if you really like my videos, you can press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. It was lovely doing this video. You guys have a good evening. Mwah.